A lot of traffic coming down because it's getting colder up north.
Yeah.
And it's staying warm here. 88
Warmest
degrees.
in the country probably, right?
88 degrees today, yes. That was actually tied a record high. And it's not going away anytime soon. We're going to see this warm weather for tomorrow as well. And we'll stay above average on Wednesday. But by Friday, you'll notice a big difference. It will be cooler. It's been delayed. I know last week we were talking and hinting at the cool down by midweek. Well, it's now delayed till Friday, it looks like. Thursday night, Friday, really, and then we'll see that nice, beautiful sunset tonight from our ABC7 tower cam. Looking out over Sarasota Bay, warm through Wednesday. We'll get back to average on Thursday. Also showers, and now maybe even a few thunderstorms are possible with that cold front on Thursday, so we'll keep an eye on that for you. And then cool down begins Thursday night and on through Friday and Saturday. So that'll be when we can enjoy a little bit of this weather. I'm sure you can enjoy it now too, but having been here all summer and throughout most of this hot fall, we need a break. And this area of low pressure that's developing now is really starting to be active here over parts of the panhandle of Florida. This low pressure area will eventually scoot off to the north, but it's going to have a trailing cold front with it. That cold front now is back here. Well to the west, and it's pretty much lined up with the flow. And with that in mind, it's not going to have much of a chance to get to the south that quickly. Once the low gets a little bit better organized, it will then sweep that front our way, and that happens on Wednesday night and Thursday. Some heavy weather in the panhandle of Florida. Tornado watch is out there. For us, a few showers have been popping up here and there, but we're not expecting a good deal of rain. We'll see one or two lone showers through this evening, but temperature is expected to be into the mid-80s tomorrow. We'll start off warm, too, in the low 70s, which is about 10 to 12 degrees above average. We'll warm up into the mid-80s, even some upper 80s, not out of the question. Now, looking for the cool down on Friday, you'll see the yellows and reds still popping up on again this afternoon, and then on Tuesday, still pretty warm. Even on Wednesday, we start to get warm as well. But then by the weekend, we'll start to see that red and yellow go away, and we'll start to see a little bit better chance of some cooler weather. Well, the tropics, it's not over yet. Hurricane season lasts until November 30th. Typically, you don't see storms in November, maybe one every 3-4 years or so. But this one has a chance of developing into a tropical depression or a tropical storm. I don't think it'll be too intense if it were to develop anyway. And this looks rather ominous for Florida, but fronts come down on a regular basis, or at least they normally do, and usually a front will come down and cause it to veer off to the north, then to the open waters of the Atlantic. And right now, top winds are at 35. It's moving to the west at 10. The forecast models are suggesting a west-northwesterly course, and then a cold front does indeed pick it up and head it off into the open waters of the Atlantic. That's most of them. Some of them kind of keep it around the Bahamas, and then a couple of the UK Met is starting to hit more into the Caribbean, even some of the other models, the ensemble models of the GFS. So this bears watch. If it stays on a westerly course and gets in the Caribbean, different story. We'll see where it goes after that. 81 degrees right now. We have clear skies, and the high today, as I mentioned, got up to 88 degrees. That tied a record set back in 2002. And the low this morning was 71. Those two numbers are what you'd see in August. And as far as the extended forecast goes, we will start to see that north wind on Friday. And then again, it will stay around on Saturday. So Saturday looks to be really nice too. As far as temperatures go, it looks to be quite nice. But a lot of rain right now over the southeast associated with that area of low pressure. For boaters tomorrow, winds will be rather light, and the seas will be running right around 2 feet or less, and we'll have a south wind out there. Here's the extended forecast. And slight chance for a late day shower, still warm. And then we'll stay warm on Wednesday. We'll get back to more average as far as temperature goes on Thursday, but notice that 60% chance for showers and storms. 59 for your low on Friday. That'll be nice. And then low 70s to mid 70s through the weekend. Scott?
Can't wait. Thank you so much, Bob.